Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about the OR instruction. So the OR instruction is again another bitwise instruction. So it is also used for supporting logical expressions. So the bitwise OR operator returns 1 if the matching bits from either or both operands are 1. And it returns 0 if both bits are 0. So for example here, let's say we have operand A and operand B. So 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 1 or 1 is 1. Okay? So for example, we have again operand 1 here, 0, 1, 0, 1. And operand 2, 0, 0, 1, 1. If we OR operand 1 and 2 using this syntax, the result will be stored in operand 1. And the result would be 1 or 1 will be 1, 0 or 1 will be 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 or 0 is 0. So the result will be operand 1 equals 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay? So this is the OR instruction, and I hope to see you again next time.